A DIY enthusiast. Welcome back to Total DIY. In today's video, I will show you how to make 23 liters of transparent eye foaming liquid tube using 3 ingredients. So today we'll be working with casing salt, SLS rice, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, and hexapone, which is also known as sodium lauryl altar sulfate. This method ensures minimal foaming formation during production and gives you a rich, slimy, and high-quality foaming liquid soup. Let's get started. The first step is to measure the total amount of water we'll be working with. Since we need 23 liters of liquid soup, I'm using exactly 23 liters of clean room temperature water. Now let's separate a portion of this water to dissolve our ingredients. So I will take a portion of the water and use it to dissolve 1 kg of casing salt. Stir this well until it fully dissolves and set it aside. Next, I will take another portion of the water and add 500 grams of SLS, which is also known as sodium lauryl sulfate. It is important to leave it undisturbed to dissolve on its own, preventing excess foam during formation. Or you can gently stir it if you are in a hurry, but I prefer to leave it undisturbed to dissolve on its own. Finally, in another portion of water, I will dissolve 1 kg of SLS, stirring gently to help it mix in, adding the water gradually, not at once. Now that all the ingredients are completely dissolved, it is time to bring everything together. Here is the right order to mix for the best texture and performance. First, add dissolved hexapone, which is also known as SLES, into the remaining water while stirring continuously. Next, add the dissolved SLS solution and stir gently to avoid excess foam. Finally, gradually add in the salt solution while stirring. You will notice that as we pour in the salt solution, the mixture starts thickening and forming a slimy texture. This is exactly what we want. Now, I will stir for about 10 minutes to ensure everything is well incorporated. After that, I will cover the container and let it rest overnight. This allows the mixture to fully stabilize and become crystal clear. After resting overnight, here is our final result. A transparent, thick, and highly foamy liquid soup. Now it is time to package it. I now transfer the liquid soup into plastic bottle for easy storage and use. Now let's test its foaming power. As you can see, the foam is thick and abundant, which makes this soup perfect for cleaning application. And that is how you make 23 liters of liquid soup using just salt, SLES, and SLS. This method is easy, affordable, and produces excellent results. If you find this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumb up, subscribe to Tutor DIY and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our Fuso DIY project. See you in the next video.